Greetings everyone, it's Sunday the 3rd of March at the Rob Roy Revival out of Ian Cowie's newly built TR7V8, the ex-Leyland Australia built TR7. I've got a couple of shots inside and out. Does that sound the business or what? Okay, here we go. Very technical track this. Very, very steep, you can't see the corner. That's a run.
Angle the car off the sideline very well indeed. Brings up a split time of 13.18.
Okay, Ian, what have you done to it?
Gary, don't lie, will you? No. No, so Gary said he won't lie.
Okay. What have you done to it?
I've actually done nothing other than spend 3 or 4 years of my life putting it back together.
Okay.
But it was machined out in Campbellfield, and then my mate Trevor Simpkin helped me put it together and turn it, and we've got about 3.9 litres.
Oh, okay.
And we've got, as you can see, 8 great big carburetors.
Yep.
And we've modified all the oil lines, a bit hard to see, but we're running a high pressure oil pump. We run 9 litres of oil.
Yep.
The red line is about 6.5. And at the moment it's going on.
So
Running second, Michael.
Running second to the very nice too. So,
nothing else has changed.
Despite me having video footage of me passing this car, are you suggesting that that's historical and no longer...
Or hysterical, I'm not sure.
Yes. Okay.
Thank you. You found the cost. 26.65, I think.
So is that good?
Bloody good, mate.
Happy days?
Yeah, happy days. Yeah, all good. Thanks very much.
Here's the dress up, man.
I think that run gave Ian the fastest time of the day, awarded by John Bow. How good's that? Catch you next time, guys. Bye.